everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I'm back with yet another video on how to use basics, and today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to download DoorDash application on your Android phone. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to download DoorDash, first of all go ahead and tap on Play Store. After you do that, you'll be available with this interface of Play Store. So go ahead and tap on search and then go ahead and type DoorDash. Now here, as you can see, DoorDash has been available for different applications. Here we are going to download the DoorDash food delivery one. So go ahead and tap on the button of install just beside it. After waiting for some time, you will get your DoorDash application installed in your mobile phone. So there you go. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till